What's goody, my YouTubies? I am back again with another YouTube video. Today I'm doing a hair review from an Amazon seller that sent me some hair. This Amazon seller name is Extreme Hair, and I thank you so much for these lovely passion twists that you sent me. Today I will be installing 12 inches of this curly, bouncy 1B passion twist from Extreme Hair on Amazon. So this is how the package came. It came with 2 crochet needles. Okay. Came with 8 packs of hair, all in 1B. And like I said, 12 inches of fun. Not too long, very cute, very bouncy. And when I tell you, this hair feels so good. I don't know, it kind of looked like it feels good, but like, look, it feels so good. I'm really excited for this one because it also seems like super easy to install. Look at how easy it is to unravel. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I do want to talk about my braid pattern. You see that it's something different this time. Ooh. This time I did the zigzags because I'm putting individuals in and I don't want like to put my hair over and then you can like distinctly see a straight part. I wanted to give the illusion that I have, you know, boxed twist in my hair. So I got the zigzag going on in the front, you know, in the back, you know, we got it going up. So when we put the hair up, it'll look, you know, like I got my hair box braid individually, you know? No, a box twist, I guess. Box twist, I can't talk. Box twist individually. But yes, this is my braid pattern. And we shall see how this works. You know, first things first, before any install, you have to take care of your own hair. So we need to get in between these braids to get into the scalp and moisturize. Today I'm using my own mixture. I made a shea butter, like whip butter type thing, and what it has in it is some shea butter, it has some jojoba oil, it has some almond oil, some coconut oil, some tea tree oil. It's a whole bunch of oils, some castor oil, some you know, everything that's good for your hair, everything that will make your hair healthy, I tried to put in this little mixture I made. But yes, I do have all of those oils in here combined with the shea butter to make a little butter. All right, y'all, let's get into it. And so every little sectional has 12 twists on them, and it's 8 packs of 12. And all of this was $34.99. I do thank Extreme Hair for sending it to me to try and give a review on. And let's put these bad boys in. Let's put these bad boys in. It's the first one. I'll come to this side. Let's put it here. And that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you want any more details about this hair, it'll be down below. But just know that it's 12 inches of fun in Passion Twist by Extreme Hair. This 12 inches was $34.99. But all in doubt, look below, description box, everything will be listed there. Also the link, because this is an Amazon hair. If you have Amazon Prime, baby, you get that in 2 days, 1 to 2 days. You already know the vibes. So definitely check out Extreme Hair for not only this hair, but another assortment. Thank you guys. Y'all have a great day. Don't forget to mask up and stay blessed. Deuces.